This is Mica, my 1999 Toyota 4Runner. Mica currently has 258,000 miles, and later this year, I'm going on a Soul Sisters road trip a few hours away. Before that adventure, there are a few important upgrades and repairs that he needs. This project started a few weeks ago. The ball joints and brake lines needed fixed ASAP, and I didn't have time to document that. The remaining list is as follows: an engine leak, rear shocks, an exhaust sensor, the exhaust canister, an oil change, brake pads, and possibly new tires. Now, could I limp by without these things? Yes. But I firmly believe that you need to take care of the things that take care of you. Mica was my only home and safe place for almost 2 years. I flew to Salt Lake City, sight unseen, with a check in my hand, hoping for a miracle after weeks of bad luck in my search. It was love at first drive. He gave me freedom and security, all in one big green package. The first upgrade was the roof rack and the roof tent, which I installed myself in the desert July heat. The tent is now very worn in, but also very loved. This was my cocoon during my mini evolutions. Just me and Mica under the Utah stars. Many nights I felt like I would go to sleep as one person and wake up someone completely new. He has been my constant through my spiritual awakening and emotional healing. And even though we aren't roughing it on BLM land every night anymore, he is still here as I grow in this chapter of my life. The daily commuter to my big girl job, the pack mule for my camping trips, and the faithful ride to and from my mini yoga classes. I used to be the kind of person to get a new car every year or always wanted an upgrade, but I am learning to appreciate and have gratitude for the reliable and familiar over the sparkling new next thing. I hope Mica is here with me for many, many years to come, and that starts with taking good care of him. So you will see him upgraded over the next few months in videos. My next video will be a little more personal and hopes to paint a better backstory of my journey and purpose of this channel. I'm super nervous to share it, so if you are new here and want to follow along, please subscribe to be a part of my next big step.